cake because you've drizzled it with a Jell-O.
Okay, so...
Who's taking a bite? TJ is actually eating this one, which is good.
Yeah, because he says he does not like Jell-O.
At all.
And he's downing it.
Yes, he was even texting me last night or messaging, and he's like, ugh.
Okay, TJ?
Did you eat it?
Your assessment.
I had some of it.
And?
It
Get a little closer to that microphone so we can hear you.
It don't taste Jell-o-y. It's all right.
It's all right. It don't taste Jell-o-y.
Yeah, this is more like a strawberry shortcake than anything else, minus the actual
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Well, yeah. I mean,
Resemble?
the flavors.
Still like
of.
really good though. It's a very soft cake.
Okay.
I'm trying. Actually, he's right.
Yeah.
It does taste like that. Okay.
Okay, so the next dish, it would not set up last night. I don't know why, so I put it in the freezer. And so it's a little crispier.
How do you get through this thing?
I don't know. Maybe you pick it up like I should have put it on a stick like a popsicle. I don't even know. But this is lime Jell-o, cream cheese. What else is there? Oh, pineapple, crushed pineapple. And my friend Melissa brought me a 1976 Tupperware mold, Jell-o mold, so that I could make it.
Amazing. So here's what I had to do. I don't know if TJ and Ian are doing this. I had to scrape mine to get it onto the spoon.
It's because I froze it. I don't know why it didn't set up the way it was supposed to. So it's crumbling.
Oh,
It's like I like my Jell-o extra crispy.
Can I start?
Yes.
This tastes like key lime pie.
Does it really?
It does.
Oh,
Am I-
so that's good.
I can see it. I can
Do
definitely
you
see
hear?
it.
Do you taste that?
I
TJ
do.
tasted it.
Okay.
Like
No, he said no.
It's like a frozen key lime pie. You don't like it?
Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, so we just heard that was Ian.
That was Ian.
TJ. What does that mean? Talk.
I-
we need more than
It is too weird for me.
Too weird.
It's got too much stuff in it. It's
I think the only weird part is that it's frozen.
Honey, you ain't seen weird.
right.
You ready for dish number 3?
Oh no.
This is a surprise to all of us in the room here on what Liz is pulling out of her ugly bakery. What in the world?
Oh no!
Does that have hot dogs on it?
You're kidding me!
Okay, can I describe what you
What
just pulled
are
out here?
you? Oh,
So this looks like SpaghettiOs in a mold with a bunch of hot dogs in the SpaghettiOs. Wow.
I saw.
Listen, you're going to have to see this on His Radio TV. We'll be putting this up for you at hisradio.com or Apple TV or Roku. This is, hold that up to a camera, please.
Let's see.
That is,
please.
wow. I have to ask, why?
Because I saw this yesterday online when I was searching for old recipes. I don't know who served this. It is 2 cans of SpaghettiOs, unflavored gelatin, and it's Vienna sausages in the middle of it.
That's what that is, Vienna sausages. I thought it was hot dogs. Wow, amazing.
So I did get the gelatinous junk that's on the Vienna sausages. I did rinse that off for you. But I also am serving this cold with crackers.
No way. Okay. So tell you what we're going to do. We're gonna let you hear the music.
Oh, that's gross.
We're going to make this an exclusive hisradio.com so you could see it on the blog a little bit later today.
Yeah.
On how the SpaghettiOs with the Vienna sausages have turned out. Oh, wow, that's quite amazing.
You have to try it.